Selamat pagi, perkenalkan nama saya Desra Dwi Prayoga, mahasiswa dari Politeknik Ilmu Pelayaran Makassar dengan NIT 2441004 dari kelas Nautika 2 Bravo. Dan hari ini saya akan memberikan fakta-fakta yang simpel tapi menarik. Penasaran? Tonton sampai habis ya. 1. Tahu gak sih, ternyata otak kita bekerja lebih keras waktu kita tidur dibandingkan waktu kita sedang menonton TV.
Did you know? Your brain is more active at night than during the day. While you're asleep, your brain is hard at work processing memories, solving problems, and even making decisions. In fact, during REM sleep, your brain's activity levels can be similar to when you're awake. And get this, the human brain generates about 23 watts of power, enough to light a small bulb. Isn't that incredible? Want more amazing brain facts?
Banyak orang yang mengira bahwa waktu tidur otak akan beristirahat, ternyata bekerja lebih keras. Yang kedua, tahu gak sih ternyata air panas lebih cepat membeku dibandingkan air dingin itu sendiri. Ini disebut juga Pemba effect.
Did you know that hot water can freeze faster than cold water? Check this out. Cold water obviously has the head start, but for some weird reason, hot water cools faster when in freezing temperatures. Experts still are not completely sure why this happens. It could be for a few different reasons. I found this image, don't ask me to explain it, but it kind of just makes sense. It could be that hot water has better convection or circulation compared to cold water, helping it distribute the cold temperatures more evenly throughout the liquid. And it could also be that hot water dissolves and evaporates certain gases from the liquid, which slow down the freezing process. It's called the Mpemba effect, and you can try this at home yourself.
Yang ketiga, tahu gak sih, ternyata pisang dapat membunuh manusia. Pisang bersifat radioaktif. Hal ini disebabkan oleh pisang yang mengandung potasium dan kalsium 40 yang dapat membunuh manusia.
The last one will scar you for life. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas are slightly radioactive because they contain potassium, which decays over time. But not to worry, you'd have to consume 10 million bananas in one sitting for it to kill you.
Tapi tenang aja, karena untuk membunuh kalian, pisang harus dimakan sebanyak 10 juta dalam sekali duduk. Dan itu tidak mungkin. Yang keempat, tahu gak sih, ternyata lidah kucing tidak memiliki kemampuan untuk merasakan rasa manis.
Cats can't taste sweetness.
That's a fact. They don't even have the chemical receptors in their taste buds to be able to detect sweetness. They are primarily carnivorous, so they're eating things that are umami, really more protein, and so there was never a need to develop a sweetness appreciation. But they are very sensitive to bitter.
So if we look at like cat treats, for example, we won't see any ingredients that are specifically sweet.
Exactly.
That's just not something that they're...
Yeah, it should all be really more protein driven.
Kucing adalah predator karnivora, jadi mereka memang tidak perlu merasakan rasa manis. Mereka hanya merasakan rasa daging yang umami. Ya, segitu aja untuk fakta-fakta hari ini. Saya Desra Dwi Prayoga dengan NIT 2441004 dari kelas Nautika 2 Bravo pamit undur diri. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.